Hey everybody, thank you for tuning into this channel. Today I want to show you something what I just got it recently from a friend. So this is what I got from my friend. With this, I also got this one, and I also got this one here. As you can see, it is out of the frame here. This is a chest mount, okay. And with that, I got this one also. So it's quite a lot, right? So let's just put this aside and open up the package over here. As you can see, it's written over here GoPro, and I got the camera here. This is GoPro Hero 3, okay. um, I didn't pay anything for this, it was free. So I'm very happy to show you all. This is the cable for the camera, and this is another back cover, which there's a hole here, okay. So you can use this for, to capture better sound. And I got an adapter here. This is a Samsung adapter, by the way. And this is the charger, okay. So through this, it's a USB charger, so you can plug this in here. And where's the other side? No, sorry. You can plug this in here and connect with the camera, and you can charge it through the camera also, or you can just charge the battery in this. And I've got some mount here, okay. I've got two batteries with this. So here's the two battery. So in this two battery, one is GoPro battery, okay. The one came with the camera, and then the other one is this. This is not from the GoPro, but this is I mean, this is a GoPro battery, but it's a different company. So it's written over here Techno Earth. So which company is it? I don't know, but it's a Techno Earth company. One is inside the camera, and this is the camera casing here. And with that, I got this tripod, not tripod, there's a monopod, okay, which you can extend it and you can connect your camera here. And I've got this one here, which you can use it in the car or something like that. You can, you can turn this around to any direction you want, okay. So there, and there's a air lock over here, which you can place it in the car or anywhere in the table, and then you can just press this down, push this down, and it gets locked. It gets locked. You don't move, okay, unless you push it so hard. There's a small latch over here. You can pull this. You can also open, but just popped up this, and then still it's locked. So there's a latch here where you can pull it up. The air goes in, and then it opens up. So, and then another one is this. This is the shoulder mount, and this is very handy. It's very nice. GoPro chest mount is. This is very good. So that's all about it. I just wanted to show you this. Oh, by the way, let's put this aside, okay. I've got another action camera here, okay, which I had the same kind of what do you call this monopod, okay. It's the same monopod here, okay. Take this out, and it's the same monopod. The brand is the same. Brand is the same. Here you can see that. Let me show you. You see this? Brand is the same. This is the one I had earlier, okay, and this is the one my friend gave to me, okay. The only problem with this is that these monopods are not that great quality, I would say. If you look at this, I don't know if you can see this or not. It's not focusing very well. Okay. This thing, it gets spoiled. This thing, as you turn this, you can see this. And this part, this one, it gets loose. So when you put the camera here, it just pains by itself. So, but I've used this a lot, so that's the reason it's already got spoiled. But I already got another one here. It's brand new, so I'll be using this from now on. So that's one thing, and one thing for the shoulder mount. If you want to know about this camera, which I had from the beginning, this is a Icon H what do you call Icon H8R. Okay, so this is also a good camera, but after using this GoPro, I know GoPro has come a long way. This is a very old one, but still this GoPro Hero 3, it gives fantastic footage, okay. If I compare with this Icon, GoPro is still much better, I would say. GoPro Hero 3, okay. And there's a lot of different features. I mean, almost all the features are the same, but in GoPro, still in the GoPro Hero 3 have a lot, one or two features uh, more than Icon H8R. So that's one thing, but the price is different, alright, okay. If you want to know about this Icon H8R, there's another video there. I've done some unboxing. You can go to the playlist and take a look. And about this thing, about the shoulder mount, I've been using this, so I just wanted to give you some little review on this Hero 3, this one, and the one which I got with the Icon. I know there's lots of price difference here, okay, in these two brands. So Hero have this, GoPro have this thing, this this mount. You can, this part here, it's separate, okay. It can move. It is in this latch, okay. But in the one which I got from the Icon, these are connected, so this one doesn't move. This one doesn't move here. This one doesn't move. But in Hero, this one is flexible. This one is moving. So there's a lot of comfort in this, the GoPro one. This one, the one which I got with the Icon, it's a little hard. Like, it's the comfort is not that much in this. So, but anyway, there's lots of price difference, and then the quality is also. I mean, when you're looking at the camera, it looks the same, but when it is in your hand, the elastic here, this one and this one, this it looks the same in the camera, but the quality is lots of difference in the quality. So if you have money, go for the GoPro stuff. But if you have less money, if you are working on a lesser budget, then I would say use this thing. it gives the same, the output, the I mean the output of whatever you're using, it's the same, okay? But the quality is different. That's the only thing I just wanted to share. So the quality is GoPro is better, and then wearing this, the comfort level is better in the GoPro chest mount. But in this, the one which I got with the Econ, the quality is not that great, but it will still hold your camera. And then the comfort is little bit, not, you feel a little uneasy with this because it is only in one uh, one blade over here. But in the GoPro, these two things are attached with different blades. So this one moves here, okay? So that's the comfort it gives. But here, it's in one blade, so it doesn't move, and then it just stays in one place. But as you're moving a little bit, you don't get that comfort. So that's the only thing. So I will be making some videos on this more, because I didn't explain very well, I hope. Okay, so I'll be making another video in this thing, review on this two camera. Okay, so here, Econ in GoPro. Okay, so what's the difference in using this two? I'll be making another video, so if you want to see that, stay tuned. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.